Today, we're diving into the magical world of Instagram filters. First up, in Instagram, tab on plus icon on top right corner and select Post. We have the Color Leak filter. Released in November 2023, this filter gives your photos a vintage, film-style aesthetic. It's perfect for bright backgrounds, adding subtle tinges of red, yellow, and orange. But beware, it can get a bit too obvious on darker backgrounds. Next, we have Ludwig. This classic filter is versatile, offering warmer tones and sharper contrast. It's ideal for both darker backgrounds and portraits, making your images pop without overwhelming them. Oslo is your go-to for subtle enhancements. It increases contrast and reduces shadows while boosting exposure. Perfect for architectural, urban, and street photos, it gives a moody look that can really highlight the details. Soft light is a must for golden hour shots. It reduces clarity for a hazy look and lowers contrast, enhancing warm tones beautifully. Just avoid it on overcast days. It might make your photos look bland. The simple filter is perfect for portraits and selfies. It adds contrast, slightly boosts exposure and brightness, making dark clothes stand out and enhancing features on overcast days. For sunny day photos, Melbourne is your best friend. It boosts exposure significantly without adding too much saturation. Ideal for golden hour images of both people and landscapes. Lo-fi is for those who love high saturation and contrast. It's great for making bright colors pop in architectural and plant photos, but can be a bit much for portraits. If you prefer subtlety, try fade. It reduces contrast and tones down saturation, making it perfect for already bright images that need a softer touch. Valencia is an oldie, but a goodie. It boosts exposure, makes shadows more visible, and desaturates slightly. It's versatile, great for selfies and street-style photos. Aden is fantastic for nature photography. It boosts saturation for a lively look without being too dramatic, making it perfect for outdoor scenes. Slumber adds warmth and reduces contrast for a cozy, inviting ambience. Great for nature shots and portraits in low light. Wide angle doesn't change colors or lighting but subtly zooms in your image, bringing your subject to the forefront without looking distorted. Harris is for subtle edits. It slightly increases lighting, perfect for when you've already done most of your editing and need a final touch. Another mention for Aden, which flattens the picture by bringing up shadows. It's great for colorful images and a must-try if you want a classic look. Lastly, Simple Cool is ideal for adding a blue tone to your images, perfect for misty, foggy, or snowy scenes. It corrects overdone white balance with ease. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.